Alright, let's start at the mud runt, move it into a new spot, and take it apart again. No, not really. Only real thing we're ripping apart is the tire to fix the leak. It's still leaking, but sucker should start. That's why I didn't fasten this panel. Just gotta climb over my tools. Hang on. Fucker runs easy. Oops. Hold up. Got to re-engage the trans. That should done it. There she goes. Sorry, too tempting. We're gonna need to air this place the fuck out. Had to. Maybe I should push the 105 back. Not in gear, right? We can give her a love tap. Man,